चुना, हाथों ने बुना, नैनों ने चुने, हाथों ने बुने, नैनों ने चुने, हाथों ने बुने, मेहनत काले सूत सुनहरा, कहाँ बिछाए समझ न पाए। नैनों ने चुने, हाथों ने बुने, मेहनत काले सूत सुनहरा, कहाँ बिछाए समझ न पाए। खोजे हम सपनों की धरा, 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 खोजे हम सपनों की धरा।
अच्छा, प्रोग्राम शुरू होने तक अपन कुछ मौज मस्ती करते हैं।
ये गाना सुना दो फिर। खाई के पान बनारस वाला, ले जा बंद अकल का ताला, फिरता ऐसे करे दमा, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला।
हाँ मैं खोजी खोजी खोजी, कहाँ हो तुम? खोजी, मुझे यहाँ बुलाकर अब तुम कहाँ छुपे हुए हो?
नैनों ने चुना।
अरे ये किताब कहाँ से आ गई? जरूर खोजी ने ही इसे भेजा होगा। चलो पढ़ते हैं। लेकिन बच्चे भी आ रहे हैं। अच्छा, अगर आ गए हो तो अपने आप में खेलो खेल, और खेल खेल में सीखो सीख। तब तक मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक इम्पोर्टेंट लेसन पढ़ रही हूँ, और बाद में आप लोगों को भी इसका रसपान कराऊंगी।
तो क्या आप हमारी टीचर है?
नहीं, पर बनने की कोशिश जरूर कर रही हूँ।
चलिए आप अपनी टीचर बनने की कोशिश कीजिए, तब तक हम अपना खेल खेलते हैं।
अरे क्या समझाऊं? मैं अभी अपने आप को इस लायक नहीं समझती कि मैं आप लोगों को कुछ समझा सकूं। चलिए तीसरी आंख से ही मदद लेते हैं।
हम जो स्कूल्स के टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल्स या साइकोलॉजिस्ट, सोशल वर्कर, जिनको वो इंटरेस्ट है, जो बच्चों के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं, इनको 3 दिन तक स्पेशल प्रशिक्षण कार्यशाला में इनवाइट करते हैं। हमारे जो ट्रेनर्स हैं वो 3 दिन तक उनको अच्छी तरह से प्रोग्राम समझाते हैं, सिखाते हैं, उसका व्यवहारिक ज्ञान देते हैं, और हम 7 पुस्तकें भी उनको देते हैं।
लायंस क्वेस्ट किशोरों के लिए सकारात्मक कलाएं यानी कि स्किल्स फॉर एडोलेसेंस की टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग कार्यशाला दूसरे ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम से काफ़ी अलग है व नवीनता लिए।
We have many habits and some are positive, some we know we can change. It also becomes a habit ना, कुछ भी और गुस्सा कर दिया सब शांत हो जाएंगे, काम चलेगा। But we don't change and the reason is H निकाले तो क्या रह जाता है? अब it remains। A निकाल दे तो क्या रह जाता है? B भी निकाल दे तो क्या रह जाता है? It remains। तो फिर हमें करना क्या है? It is within your purview, within your strength, within your ability, within your competency to change this habit पर चलता है ना। See what is growth? अभी आप टीचर बन गए, बहुत अच्छे टीचर्स हैं, स्वस्थ हैं, you are creative, you are good because I have seen you are creative, you have made so many charts। तो फिर ऐसा कौन सा ग्रोथ है जो आपके लिए फायदेमंद होगा? Where you can say शाबाश, मैंने कुछ किया अपने लिए। Is to change one habit which you can, which will make you better। ख्याल आया? एक आदत जो आप बदलेंगे, बदल सकते हो, बदली नहीं है, चलता है, किया है और अब बदलोगे। मुश्किल है, धीरे धीरे होगा। चूज समथिंग सिंपल। देखो, अपने आप में विश्वास लाना है तो पहले आसान, जो हो सके वो करो, फिर थोड़ा और मुश्किल, फिर थोड़ा और मुश्किल।
यह कार्यशाला पार्टिसिपेंट्स को किशोर बच्चों तक अपनी बात कायदे से पहुंचाने में मदद करती है, कारण इन बच्चों को उपदेश व राय देने वाले अनगिनत लोग होते हैं, मगर उनका हमउम्र बनकर समझाने वाले बहुत कम।
Ladies and gentlemen who are right now enacting as students of class 8. We are group 1 with Kuhurina, Rashmi, Lakshmi, Nisha, Suryakant, Indu and myself Soni. We are going to present Unit 2 Lesson 5, Stepping Up to Good Decision. Lakshmi is a student who needs to take a decision whether she should go to the party of her school friend or not. She's been invited for the party, but she has also been told that she's not supposed to tell her good friend about it. For some reason, maybe the people those who have invited her don't like her. So now she's in a process of taking a decision, which she will take in six steps and 5-point test. So your steps, Lakshmi.
So these are the 6 steps to take a good decision. First one is identify what decision you have to make. First I have to decide what decision I have to take. Then next step is that what are your options, whether options are given to me, what I have to select and what. Then in how many ways I can make my decisions.
उसमें भी 5 पॉइंट थे। पहली बात, क्या यह कानून, नियमों अथवा मेरी धर्म की शिक्षा के खिलाफ है? दूसरी बातें, क्या यह मेरे अथवा अन्यों के लिए हानिकारक है? तीसरी बात, क्या यह मेरे परिवार वालों को निराश करेगा? चौथी बात, क्या यह करना गलत है? पांचवी बात, मेरे प्रति किसी ने ऐसा किया तो क्या मुझे दुख न होगा? तीसरा स्टेप,
Then I have to think the consequences, whether it will be good for me or bad, whether I have taken right decision or not. That consequences I have to think, and then only I have to decide. Then I have to think whether which one is the best, which is the best one. Then I have to take the decision. Now 5th one is the decision, which is the final step. Then I have to take the 6th step, that rethink it whether it is right or I have to take it in the another way.
After the discussion, and you have seen what steps to take to make decisions. There are certain things that we actually now need to just see, just to go over the whole thing. What have we done? What are some reasons that decision making is considered as a skill?
आप में से कौन बता सकता है कि बच्चों में किन कारणों से निर्णय लेने का कौशल होना चाहिए?
I think this competitive world today, they must be equipped to take their own decisions rather than backing up on anyone or their parents to just wait and wait for things to happen. Rather than they are the ones who should make things happen, not wait for things to happen.
बच्चों को बड़ों से मार्गदर्शन क्यों लेना चाहिए?
Sometimes the children, they are not able to understand the consequences of their decisions, so they have to take help from their elders.
But how do we know that our parents took the right decisions?
They must have faced the consequences. So if the consequences were correct, then they will know. Like right now as a parent, what mistakes I have done. Like I always tell my daughter, so why are you committing the same mistake which I have done? You make your own mistake. So that is how. So once I know that I have made a mistake, I'll not let her do it again. So she'll make a new mistake and learn from her own mistakes.
What are some reasons that it is important for young people to develop strong decision making skills?
Because these children will be adults and they will be facing real life situations, and in real life situations they are required to take decisions from moment to moment, and I think that's the reason why they should have those skills right from now.
We should start early. Finally, what are some reasons that make decisions step by step a good idea? Why should we do that?
I think we usually don't take this step-by-step method. We just either decide it, we want to do it or not do it. But while the teacher has taught us, I think this is a good way to analyze and it's easy, and I think it's a complete process. I mean, this is a right process, I think.
Now that we have gone through this and we have more or less understood that this is the way we need to take decisions, we will not stop over here. We need to do something more to learn and understand and really work it out, make it work for us better.
सेवा करना हमें बच्चों को क्यों सिखाना है? छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट लेके कम्युनिटी सेवा, स्कूल में कोई प्रोजेक्ट, ये क्यों करने? रिसर्च से हमें पता चला है कि जो भी बच्चे ऐसे छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट लेके कम्युनिटी सर्विस या सर्विस करते हैं, उनमें लीडरशिप डेवलप होती है, अलग अलग बेड़े से बात करना सीख लेते हैं, आसानी से कम्युनिकेशन इजी हो जाता है, टीम स्पिरिट बढ़ती है, सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है, एंड दे बिकम गुड वॉलंटियर सिटीजन्स देन ऑन.
Service learning, identifying the needs. What is service learning? Do you think any of you would have an idea?
To learn to serve somebody.
Very good, very good. So, service learning basically means that you extend the skills that you've already learned or the knowledge that you already have. You use this for serving either your school or your community or the society at large around you. So, whatever you get from the school or from the community, that you give back to your community. Now, it's a known fact. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. May I ask you to talk to the students about how they can involve themselves?
Now students, tell me, activities can be conducted into two manners, two ways, one in the school and another in the society. Now tell me which activities you think that can be conducted in the classroom.
Make some craft articles.
Yes. Maybe helping the maushis in school to study or to learn.
Yes, definitely.
Do some creative activities, say crafts, painting.
I think you all be ready to accept that the same thing is to be done in the community also. So can I share with you something? Can you tell me what kind of service you can present in the community?
Volunteers like municipality services like polio drop.
Teaching the poor children in our area.
Adults want to know the feelings. They try to understand. He try to solve this thing, and this way you can see that he can be in future. He can be one of able citizen of a nation.
Thank you. Now, students, I would like to ask you, how do you think this program will benefit you?
Generally, we believe that whatever we give comes back to us. So it's like a circle. Like when we do something good, it goes on, and it will certainly come back to us, and we are giving back what the society has given us.
Right, very right. And also, what happens is when you youngsters, you 8th graders, do this kind of projects, you have a better rapport with the elders who are working with you, alongside with you when you implement these projects, right? So these are some of the benefits that you will have and you will enjoy by the time we finish with these kind of projects, right? Okay, so now I have Sujata ma'am here who will probably map out an activity for you, yes? So we will have a kind of a blueprint for one such project which you are going to all do together along with some of us over here, right? Let's see how we do it.
Thank you, Nina.
Yeah.
Okay, now children, you heard a lot about service learning and you must have come to know how we can serve our school, how we can serve our community in a better way. We can all contribute. It's not that since you're 8th graders, you cannot contribute to the community or the school. Now let us think of one of the project which we can implement in the school itself. Now, I would want one of you or any of you to come up with any such project. I have one project in my mind, that is tree plantation. Do you agree with me? Yes. Can we implement it in the school? Yes. So, let us take up this important project today. Okay, Ravindra, will you come up here? Let's think of digging the soil to plant a new plantlet. Okay? Okay, now we'll be distributing the responsibilities of taking care of the plant. Okay, once the ground is made, the soil is made, the ground is made, the plant is put. Somebody has to see that it has to be watered properly. Okay, see that it is to be watered during the summer vacation and the Diwali vacation. And
it's difficult, no? It's really
I don't think if we plan it out, I don't think it's going to be difficult, is it?
If we all work together,
it will, of course. It has to be teamwork. It's not one person's responsibility. It's a team. It's a community work, isn't it? Okay. Now, one of you who lives near to the school, Rucha, I think you live very close to the school.
Yes.
Will you take the responsibility to coming to the school early and watering? Okay. Okay. Before the school starts, okay, you must come every day and water the plant. Okay, Geeta. What about you? Can you take
Yes,
care
in
of
the
manures?
Diwali vacation, I'll water the plants.
Okay, that's fine. You are not going out anywhere
No,
in the
I'm not
Diwali? Fine. Lata, then I think you can take care of manures and fertilizers.
Yeah, I do.
Okay? Or even pesticide if it requires.
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
Okay, fine. Then we have distributed the responsibility. Okay, everybody should contribute the growth of the plant. And when you see the plant coming out, giving out green leaves, won't it give you happiness?
Yes,
Sense of satisfaction?
We'll have such fun working together.
What else will you gain from it? How are you contributing to the environment?
We have to bring greenery in the
Greenery
school.
in the school. Okay.
We'll like to maintain this thing. Ma'am, won't the school look beautiful with all these plants?
Oh,
here?
certainly it will. And it is work. Whose work is it?
It's our
Your work, isn't
Yes.
it? All of it's your contribution.
Yes.
एक बीज कई मनों का जन्मदाता होता है।
And can you tell me what is the purpose? Is it this word has to spread, having the message to spread from people to people that we should plant?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the need?
Ma'am, today the whole of our neighborhood is becoming like a concrete jungle, and I think it should change. It has to change.
Why do you think trees are being cut down at this rapid rate?
Because people want to grow buildings.
Okay.
Trees are our life. They give us
So this, that way you can
Without trees, we can't
contribute. Yes, we can all contribute to this.
Now, before we end, students, there's some questions I would like to ask you. We always do this at the end of every lesson, right? So here are a few rapid fire questions for all of you. At the end of this project, what do you think we are going to gain?
Better environment, more oxygen.
How well we have worked together, and therefore please keep a lookout for the answers to this question. How well we have worked together. Again, look out for the answer to this special question. In what way can we improve our working together? Look at the way in which you work together throughout this project and come to a conclusion as to how you can improve the way and the style of your working together as a team.
3 दिन की कार्यशाला में लायंस क्वेस्ट की पाठ्य सामग्री से परिचय व किशोर बच्चों को खेल खेल में विभिन्न प्रोजेक्ट्स व रोज़मर्रा के उदाहरणों से आपसी विचारों के आदान प्रदान में जीवन जीने की कला सिखाने का अभ्यास भी करवाया जाता है।
ये हमारे जो ट्रेन टीचर्स है वही लोग बच्चों को प्रोग्राम दे सकते हैं।
वो जो सुनते हैं उन्हें सिर्फ 10% सीखने को मिलता है और जो देखते हैं उन्हें 15%।
इसका मतलब हमको 15% सीखने के लिए मिला।
नहीं, जो देखते और सुनते हैं उन्हें 20% यानी कि हमें 20% सीखने को मिलता है, और अगर हम इस देखे और सुने को अपने व्यवहार में लाएंगे तो हमें 80% सीखने को मिलेगा।
जो अपनी सीखी हुई शिक्षा को दूसरों को पढ़ाता है वो 90% सीखता है। इसलिए मैंने तो गोल सेटिंग करके रखी है कि मैं टीचर बन के रहूंगी। आपको हमारा प्रोग्राम कैसा लगा? हमें अपने विचार सुझाव अवश्य भेजिए। हमारा पता है लायंस क्वेस्ट इन इंडिया फाउंडेशन, D94, परिसीमा, लाल बंगले के पास, CG रोड, अहमदाबाद 6, भारत। आप हमें फोन भी कर सकते हैं। फोन नंबर है 079-264-07196।
नैनों ने चुने, हाथों ने बुने, नैनों ने चुने, हाथों ने बुने, मेहनत काले सूत सुनहरा, कहाँ बिछाए समझ न पाए, खोजे हम सपनों की धरा, खोजे हम सपनों की धरा, खोजे हम सपनों की धरा, खोजे हम सपनों